Good afternoon, everyone. In this section, I would like presenting my paper, and the title of my paper is the understanding the relationship between customer personality and marketing mix factor into purchasing decision of distro in Bandung. This paper attempts to provide an overview comparison among the customer personality type, specifically about the customer appraisal on the marketing mix factor of distro in Bandung and its impact on purchasing decision. The data will be measured and processed statistically by using multiple regression analysis and discriminant analysis method, which then compare to see similarities and the difference among the outcomes. The result of this paper will show how the customer personality profile related to the appraisal on the marketing mix factor and how the impact the appraisal on how purchasing decision. The result obtained from this study can be used as an input to understand about the customer behavior and to choose the right marketing strategy both for management of distro in this paper as well as for those who are interested to perform entrepreneurial in the fashion business. Previous study commonly measure and compare only in the marketing mix factor, so this paper gives a deeper understanding about personality, customer, and the appraisal on the marketing mix factor of distro in Bandung and its impact on the purchasing decision. Now, let's continue to the introduction. Bandung is known as the city of fashion. Based on the data from previous study, fashion industry contribute 43.71% of the total GDP of Bandung in 2009. One factor that gives a significant influence in the amount of revenue of Bandung GDP from fashion industry is the development of distro. Distribution store, or more commonly known by its acronym distro, is a small-scale fashion industry that dedicated for the young generation. The number of the distro in Bandung at first only 5 until 7 outlets in 1997 and then developed into 480 outlets in 2009. With this rapidly development, the competition that occurs among the distro in Bandung is increased. In order to survive and maintain their existence in this business, the distro entrepreneur must provide value added that make their product different so they can maintain the customer that they have and win the customer from their competitor. Therefore, the entrepreneur are expected to increase their distro ability to respond and meet market demands while creating interest and marketability of the product that they offer. If we know and understand our market target, the ability to match the product with the market demands, and the ability to create interest and the marketability of the product will improve. This can be done by understanding the characteristic of customer and how consumer behavior. Thus, from this data we can determine the right marketing strategy, package the product that we offer become more attractive to the consumer, and stimulate customers to purchase our product. By knowing the personality, then we can know their lifestyle pattern, behavior, and consumption choice to be predicted and explained. While knowing the customer result assessments of the marketing mix factor, we can develop our appropriate marketing strategy. Because the marketing mix is the one of the most fundamental concepts in marketing management for attracting customer and achieving marketing objective or target. This study will discuss an overview personality type of the consumer distro in Bandung and how they result assessment of the marketing mix factor based on the categories of personality type that is owned by the customer and how the personality type of the customer and their assessment of marketing mix factor influence to the consumer purchasing decision on the distro in Bandung. There are 5 questions that will be answered in this paper. The first question is, what are the personality types of the consumer distro in Bandung? The second is, how are the result assessment of the marketing mix factor of customer distro in Bandung based on the categories of personality type that is owned by the consumer? The third question is the personality type influence the customer assessment of marketing mix factor distro in Bandung? And the fourth question, are the assessment of marketing mix factor influence the consumer purchasing decision on distro in Bandung? And the last question is the personality type influence the consumer purchasing decision on distro in Bandung? I will state that the purchasing decision process refers to the consistent and prudent measure taken to meet the needs, while Sigmund and Canuck state that the decision as the selection to the two or more alternative choose in order the availability of more than one option was a must in decision making. Kotler argued that a purchasing decision mainly determined by the customer personal trait and evaluation process along with stimuli from the external environment. So, according to the Kotler, studying these factors are very important for forming an effective marketing strategy. In marketing management, marketing mix is the most fundamental concept that must be understood in order to make an effective marketing strategy. In a previous research, it is stated that marketing mix factors such as product, price, place, and promotion have a significant impact to a purchasing decision. The evaluation of customer toward the marketing mix factor is considered as an evaluation process that along with stimuli from external environment. On the other hand, there is also customer personal trait that determine the evaluation process and purchasing decision. Previous research has been stated that personal trait is one of the factors that determine the way person process the information from the environment. More specifically, it states that customer personality type is one of the factors that influence the process of decision making. The study aimed to explore the impact of personality both to marketing mix factor and purchasing decision, and how the impact of the marketing mix factor itself to purchasing behavior.